In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MoneyLion to Zelle, a simple process that will allow you to seamlessly transfer funds between these two platforms. Whether you're looking to send money to a friend or manage your finances more efficiently, linking MoneyLion with Zelle can be a great solution. Let's dive into the steps to get you connected. First, make sure you're on the MoneyLion homepage. This is your starting point for initiating the connection with Zelle. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a search bar, an essential tool for locating the Zelle integration. In the search bar, type in the word Zelle. This will help you quickly find the relevant option without having to scroll through multiple menus or options. As you type, MoneyLion will start to display search results that match your query. Keep an eye out for the Zelle option in the results list. Once the search results have loaded, you should see Zelle listed there. Click on it, and that's all there is to it. This action essentially links MoneyLion with Zelle, enabling you to use Zelle's services through your MoneyLion account. This integration can make transferring money a breeze, simplifying your financial transactions. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Make sure your MoneyLion account is up to date and that you've configured any necessary security settings to protect your financial information. Additionally, ensure that your Zelle account is linked to a bank account that you use regularly. This will make transactions faster and more convenient. If you encounter any issues during the process, both MoneyLion and Zelle offer customer support services that can assist you. They can help troubleshoot any problems you might face or answer questions about the features and functionalities available through the integration. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected MoneyLion to Zelle. This combination of services can enhance your financial management capabilities, providing you with the flexibility to send and receive money swiftly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in simplifying your financial transactions. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day and happy transferring.